People, here is Jamaica greatest man, Captain Jack. He teaches us about native coconut. The native coconut, he says, is good for the rice and peas.
It gives a rich flavor, rich natural flavor with the rice and peas. With the peas, it gives a different taste. Natural taste.
This is native?
No. This is not native. This is native.
And why does it look different? Oh.
Look at the color. They are different from the rest.
Oh, they have a kind of dark brown color.
And if you look on these, you see a different color.
Okay, so now, how would I make one of these grow at the yard? Just put it down.
And set it.
So here what you do?
At a cool place.
The tree native.
And it grow.
Cut one of the native for me.
Look for difference. All these are different. All these. Now if you notice, it's smaller than the rest. See our next native, yeah? They're smaller than these. See our next one over here, so. If you mix them all together, I can take out every one. See one there again. Notice the difference. You see the difference? Difference, the top of them, look at the top of them. The difference at the top of them. And these are those are different coconut. And look at the difference. They are different. You know them differently. And they're natural rich. You see this fire, what you see there, sir?
Yes, sir.
All those coconut husks. I chip some coconut and grate it and boil it down to island custard. Carry it go home.
No, these chips you use to burn fire?
No, I use it for smoke for mosquito when the mosquito them come. So I put them up and I light it into a pan and the smoke now run with the mosquito and then they'll come near.
Okay.
So me don't throw them, I store them into a place around there. So.
Wait, dry?
Yeah.
I was trying to figure out what they're good for.
I use them for run away mosquito.
But they can't burn fire.
Yeah, they can burn fire too, but they make a lot of smoke.
Okay.
So that's what I do now in the rain time. I put them up fire in the rain time, and when the mosquito them come around, that is the pan. I put that in the pan there and light it, and it make a lot of smoke spreading all around.
Okay.
So keep away the mosquito.
Got it.
So the mosquito them keep away from the smoke. Alright, show you what the native now look like. In just little and weeds. This now is for the rice and peas.
This is native. Throw it for me.
That's for the rice and peas.
No, the native it has the side thing not too strong. It's more flat. It's smaller too?
Yeah.
Smaller.
Yeah.
So when you go buy coconuts, is the eyes blacker too?
Yeah, it's different.
The eyes are different, are blacker.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that is native coconut.
Native means that is the original coconut, or was it?
Yes, original.
So the
coconut.
other one is imported?
Yeah. That is a real natural.
This is the real Jamaica coconut.
Jamaica coconut.
Do me a favor. Cut it for me.
That we going to do.
All right. Come on, drink it and taste it.
You want to taste it?
So,
rich, natural rich.
Brother, you taught me something today again. Wow, thank you, Captain Jack. This is an honor. I'm going to keep that coconut. I'm going to keep this as a gift, you know.
No, no bust it, man.
No bust it.
No, I show the people the kind of richness.
Inside, but me did want to keep that one as a gift.
Native coconut one. Natural thing, that one. Best for rice and peas.
Wow.
We don't have much time because the rain have black up. No, no, if you don't. No, look. Look. Natural richness of the coconut and it grow. Rice and peas, coconut, this. You see, look on it.
Oh, it whiter?
You look on the difference. You see it? This is the natural native coconut. Real coconut is for rice and peas. You get the gist?
Yes,
So
sir.
you have different type of coconut.
So that cooks them know.
You have different, all who deal with like cooking also, them know this stuff, man. Who know. These are natural coconut for native.
So the stuff for them putting a powder might not be.
I don't know, because you don't know what they take and make the powder.
Yeah.
What size or what type of coconut. You have different types. Season another type of coconut there, so you know, you can't drink off one in a jelly, you know, them big, the cup them big like this.
So them you have planters too?
Yeah, you have one like what grow. See those, that coconut you're looking at there?
Yeah, are the biggest one them?
Yes, the cup them big. And them hold a lot of water.
I them one plant from the land back. What you call them? Sandash. Oh. Eight different types. This is a sandash. I'm going to get two of them where I grow. Oh, I'm the richest day of my life. I find the richest man in the world. So may I take them to you?
Take everybody.
One day, I'll get some money. So you have a scale down here? You don't have a scale down here? Yeah.
No.
Okay, you have to go get one. When we start by the yam, just buy it and sell it.
You have scale of fish. Now go buy one to keep on. No, I'm telling you, have all different type of coconut.
Are the big one this?
Yes. So people now use any kind of coconut cook rice and peas.
But it's not
Once
so.
a coconut.
So here
But you have different tastes.
So this are the big one. What you call that one here?
Sandash.
Sandash.
Yes, so these are very large coconuts. Come on, find one when not grow.
So you know you use a coconut trash for like putting if you put them under the ground, you know.
So do them things. No time for that. The place are so rich.
Yeah.
No need that.
Use them for brush though for clean house.
No sir. Me a brush for me use clean house, yes, because I like my floor polish, but floor polish can't get again.
Oh.
Floor polish, I couldn't tell when I see a floor polish. Like, you know, you used to sell some polish and thing that clean floor like. Even tile. You can't see those things again. Me right now, me trying to get polish and me can't get none. I like clean floor with polish. Yeah. Love this sport type.
Yes.
Nah, get it. The thing them what them I use now like red oak and liquid something and them something if it clean style and thing. You don't get polish again. This one no grow, maybe luckily no grow. Not sure yet. No, it no grow. Yes, it grow. Just start to. Alright.
Good.
Just start to grow. Cause them too long. Oh, it's spoiled.
Oh, it's spoiled. Oh, yeah.
Coming through it.
Yeah.
No.
Let me see it.
You see the cup now, look on it now.
Let me
You see the
show-
difference now.
Show it.
Look on it. Now
This,
water might come out.
this
now.
is the sun dash.
You see it big?
Yes.
You see the size of it?
Yes, sir. It's spoiled.
Look like it's spoiled.
Bust it anyway. We just want to see inside.
Look like it's spoiled. You see him large, brother? And him good.
I'm good. No. But him large people. Milk.
Hmm.
Large and in charge.
Mm-hmm. So him big.
Mm,
You see one ear come through the eye, it's spoiled.
that's it.
Mm-hmm. You see? So I'm
Mhm.
show you. So you have different type.
Mm-hmm.
These now are solid coconut.
Yeah.
Alright now, you know, try to let you go. Get them out these before they mess up in the take out,
Oh, yeah.
take out them out of the
Alright, my brother. People, still say the man is the richest man in the world?
now but chip all of them in here.
No,
Take
man.
up some of them in a bag. So you can't carry in a bag.
Yeah.
You know them down on the solid way. They don't have no growth. Try to let you go and sit, come back, you know, come plant out them seeds, you know. I think I see you van up there some man, you can't load up everything now.
Yeah, we just make
Alright.
couple trips.
Just bag up now and we move around.
Alright, let's do it.
Bag up now and move around.
Alright, let's move.
So I'm ready for reach the place now, you know. If you get a far away now, you know. I'm ready for reach the place now, you have to call the market. Alright. Have your food time. It's not come now when I have your food time, man.
Oh my god.
Have your food time.
Yeah. You see them biggie, man? It's a yellow heart.
Yeah, man, all of them.
And you sell them.
Yeah, me give yourself. Notice when the beer, so either cut, that's well beer. Anytime it well beer, that's send it through.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Stand up.
There you go. Mm-hmm.
Yes, Father. All these see what you see. Different found out wild tree there.
Mm-hmm.
All what you see there. Alright, see a big fruit plant there, but me say me left that one there. See some over the gully there.
Alright,
See
my
some young
brother.
plant there.
Which spot? Which spot?
See them here, a good breadfruit them. See tree here, all the sucker them there. See them? Sucker.
Alright, my brother.
Them. See them sucker there.
Why you give me one of this? That one, yeah.
Me soon get them out to come now and grow this here.
This may be longing for one.
You have to go cut it and set it into a pan.
If you take it out.
When set one? No, you just cut the part where you go and set it into.
So if me take it out, you can replant it?
Yeah, but you now go understand it. You have to set it down when you come you get it plant. I
Okay.
know if you set it to get it grow.
Oh, so you
have
can't
to
just
cut
pull
it.
this out and plant it back?
No, you now go work that way.
Okay.
That you go up on a root, we go on so, just cut off the roots and cut it off so, and set it with the dirt and keep on water it, make it grow.
Okay.
But the best is to set it, the banana chunk, put it into a banana chunk and make it stay. And it grow, cause it feed from the water from the banana chunk. You don't get
So you wrap it in
no,
there?
you put it in the chunk. You cut
And
the chunk and split it and put it down in it, put it into a pan and
The
throw
root?
it. Yeah, and put the water in it and it keep it.
So basically you put the banana trunk in a bucket with water.
Yes, but you put dirt with it. Say banana trunk don't suck out, don't dry no at all. So you feed the breadfruit tree with water. It don't dry.
Got it.
It don't dry from the water. The banana trunk itself hold the water.
In the water.
In the pan with the dirt. Can hold water. So when you water it, you keep the water and start to feed the tree, don't dry no at all.
Okay.
So then the tree come natural. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
Like this now. You cut it. You split the banana trunk and put the breadfruit in it like this, shake it up back and put it down in that pan and put dirt with it.
Mm-hmm.
And you keep it.
And then you put water on it.
Yes. You just put the water like water, but you don't keep the water, the water soak. The banana trunk itself have the water.
Oh, so you just
water
put...
it 1 time or 2 times.
Okay, so the banana trunk keep the water.
Yes.
So you're not going at the dirt.
Yes, you know, suck out from juice. You got juice at all time to support it.
Got it.
To keep it cool, to keep it
So
good.
banana trunks are good for catching things.
Yes.
So that's the purpose of using them.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow. People, you hear that?
But pull it out like that, put in the dirt, not gonna survive. Luckily. Luckily survive. Alright, so you don't need banana. You have banana?
I want it as well.
Yeah, we go on here. Yeah, this one right. And maybe now.
Give it to my family.
Yeah. Yeah, this one right.
Wow, my brother, you really, hey. Ah, boy, man, I tell you, I wish I wasn't leaving so soon. I would come back for the... one day I go full up my van at the apple.
See,
This are the...
this tangerine this. I think, I don't know if it's mandarin orange, but one out of the two.
And it took you a while to catch it.
I don't know what it is. Tangerine.
Tangerine.
The big tangerine.
And you caught it, you catch it from the seed?
Yes.
But you took your time.
Yes.
Did you plant it in the...
Into a pan and then transplant it. Put the seed into a pan.
But you said don't put it in your mouth.
No. You put the seed in your mouth, it take a long time to...
I'll bring the yam, that's heavy.
Take a long time to... And it don't bear that natural neither. Even the mango. When you plant in the mango, you cut the seed and take out the kernel and plant the kernel. You get the real type of mango. But if you plant it with the kernel, it don't come that way how it should.
So when the mango
and
start...
it take longer to bear.
When the mango
When
seed...
you eat the mango seed in your mouth and plant it, take a long while, take long to bear.
Can I touch your mouth?
Take a long while. I don't know, but there's something about it in your mouth. It's not bearing. Take a long while.
So
But the shortest crop in the when you put it like take out the kernel now and plant it. As the tree reach to height, it start to bear. As it reach about this height, it start to blossom and start to bear. But when time you put it in your mouth and plant it, all this height and you're looking out, you say, but this a tree not bear. Take a long while. So there's a difference about it.
wow. Wow. That knowledge blow me away, brother. That's the kind of knowledge save Jamaica, save a lot of people. So basically,
I don't know if I acid in your mouth or what, but there's something about your mouth and the planting when it touch your mouth. Something about it.
so this is why some of the pear them were catching on my thing. I just throw them out in the yard or pepper. Or certain things we catch. Like even the other day I catch a lemon tree, lime. I know say, I don't know.
No, those things are easy to catch because you just throw it and it grow natural and it catch. And it catch unexpected and those things bear very fast. Yes, very fast.
So you say, wow, that is fascinating what you said there, brother. that
Those
the
things here very, very
that the
fast.
that you take the mango when you see it start grow. That's when now you
No, you take it out the kernel before it grow. Like when you eat it, you cut out the kernel from inside the seed itself. There's a pad over the kernel inside, so you take out the inside part and plant it. So that means the kernel
you have to
itself.
make it dry first.
Yes, you have to make it dry. And you don't have to dry it neither. But mostly when it's dry, it's better. What I really understanding about it now, to my knowledge, when me eat the seed and it go into my mouth, me don't plant it that way. Me take out the kernel from out of it and plant it. It's like a peanut where you have the trash over the peanut. You take off the trash and just leave pure white. It's the same way the mango is.
Okay.
So it's like the seed outside have a guard for the system inside what grow. You get me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it's like a guard over the seed inside the natural part what grow. So you take off the guard and take out the natural and plant. Every seed have a guard, you know. You didn't know that?
Yes, some.
Every seed have a
you've-
guard over it
Yeah.
to keep it.
And these things you can,
To my,
these you can drop in your eyes.
to my knowledge,
Mhm.
every seed have a guard.
Yeah.
Yes. So it guard the natural food inside. What to bring forth. No, when you check it in life now, it's reality. We notice when a cow have calf, you have a guard over him to clean him off in cow. Natural. So when you check it in nature in life, it's the same thing. Everything have a guard to keep it. Notice the coconut.
Yes, yes.
What is film guard? The skin outside?
Yes, sir.
So me learning, me doing farming and me learning at the same time.
And you watch the thing.
Yes, I have the experience.
Yes. Well, I tell you, brother, well, thank you for your time and
You have all the time what you want, man, what you need. You don't have nowhere going. My pleasure.
you see, because, brother, this is a new beginning.
Alright, now, I'm heading to van now. That's why I'm nice to go 25 to go and juggle here.
Now say the word, me put the word out.
Yeah, man. It's why I'm nice to go 25. You don't want nothing big. 25 on me, alright. So, me have some type of fishing when me doing when no man no do it and then can't manage it neither. If they try to do it, then can't manage it. Yeah.
You know, me realize if you walk like this,
But if you slide, you're gone.
you got
You walk side, you can't balance. That you slide down to get more jelly, but the stick of the problem, they must stick or dry it.
Okay.
No, a long stick, you know, but I know it is. No, I know it. No, a long stick on me would stuff. But me always climb my ladder, and pick your one, I'll drop in a mid one at a time. Sideways.
Coconut.
Yeah.
What I like is you know if you catch the tree then. So now, you know, sell what more I have to do is to please start catching just trees like tangerine. I can get them sold for you.
Well, Well, right now, I'm not going to tell us I have the time for that.
Okay, there you
Once
go.
me catch them, I plant with the plant.
Hey!
So I'm not going to tell you yes about this.
Wait. See, people, this is the greatest man in Jamaica. If you catch him for one day, and he now pick up phone for everybody for talk, you know. Him not really in that, you know. When a man great, you know, have no time. You notice great men?
Come for again.
The banana.
How are they, sir? Did they, sir?
Great men don't
No,
have.
see the tree there will get so nice really after.
That one, yeah. Oh.
But now them big, nice big coconut.
Oh.
But now the stick picking. Yeah, we could have climbed it, but we can't manage it.
No. Don't stress yourself.
Now could have get so nice really after that.
Stress yourself. You did something great for the world today.
Alright.
You got the last. You got your fruits.
Alright, no brand new big one. Hold on. Stop there. Not go get on this shit. And just make one movement. Just make one move right now.
People, you see tangerine tree, mandarin tree. Them are easy to find or catch. Right now, I'm hanging out with Jamaica greatest man. And before we leave, we're going to give him a gift. Before we leave now, Captain, I'm going to find a spot for give you, honor you, and give you a gift.
One.
I could say, what's your favorite spot to sit down?
Was it right here, Sammy? Hot here, so we not going nowhere for it.
Alright. Okay.
Right here, so me stay, my brother.
Okay, people. We're gonna give this man a gift. When a man give it to me as a gift because I'm a warrior. And when I met this man, the spirit said, you know what, Randy? The war is over. And your gift is needed for somebody else. You see? So when I met Captain Jack, and he does fishing, music for Jamaica, and the farm seal it. Me never meet a man who plant big tree like this, where all the trees on him ground are him planted. All of them. Him say the big breadfruit tree are you planted. Everything you saw. We say every tree, all the breadfruit tree, all the coconut tree them.
Everything what you looking at.
When him came here, it was just a cocoa. Right?
Just a little cocoa like about this.
That was the only thing that was here. Alright, Mr. Jack. Sit right over there.
Yes, it did all me last year, you know.
Eh? So people, this is Captain Jack. I'm going in my bag because I forgot to get the gift. See now? No, this thing I saw, you know. It's I hope me never nasty it up with the apple then. So now, alright, world, see it Jack. This me say, my brother. Hold out your hand. Hold out your hand. Put on the machine.
Man.
Hold out your hand, brother. Hold out your hand.
So this is a knife you go fishing.
Oh Lord, Captain Jack.
It's a sea knife.
Lord. Now take your time. Pull out the blade.
So you're gonna get a shark.
What be careful. Whoa!
Man. So this can cut brother shark.
Oh!
Can slice.
Hi, Captain Jack. This gift is only for royalty. You see this knife? First of all,
You can see it's a good steel.
no, it's only me supposed to touch it.
Okay.
Right? And it was specially made. I got clean it and keep him oil. This was specially made. You see me? Shipping from overseas.
Okay.
You see? So now when you sharpen them and The guy you talk to, I him give me this for all the work I'm do for Jamaica.
Okay,
At 20 years, I work for the country, preserve the culture, and now you, for all the work you do for Jamaica.
No, so it's from one culture to another
Yes,
culture.
my brother. So this
I
gift,
always believe in culture.
this gift, whether you're doing, it's not even so much for, you see the musical drum, the man thing when you make, and not so much fish, because it's so important, and not just for use every day. You see when you make the musical thing, when you have to cut certain things, you know what I say? But anything you want, you're one.
You see me, you sit down here, so
Yeah.
I can build a knife just like this.
Wow.
I can build a grater. I can build a broom. There's much more what I can do what you could even believe.
Wow.
A lot of skill, a lot of knowledge, a lot of things.
Do you like the gift?
I love the gift. Because as I see it, you know what coming in mind? Those big shark and fish out at sea.
There you go. Use it for it.
But it's not gonna go there, gonna put it for safekeeping to look at.
There you go.
And I use the next things because I don't want it missing. When I get something, I keep it for life.
Yes. This is
That's what I do.
This is like a samurai sword. You can take off this.
I keep it for life.
This is like a present from.
What is a present?
Yeah, remember saying, no, me could have keep it, and the man say, if you pull it, use it. And I say, well, me not really in that the kind of lifestyle there. This is for somebody who can use it for the right reasons. Me not like pull it, use it. Me like pull it, make music with it. Me like pull it, cut shark or fish with it.
Well, if you know where this gonna go now, it's gonna go in one of my safe with lock and key.
Yes, my brother.
And it's not gonna use to know how that thing, one just look at it as a culture.
Exactly, my brother. Yes.
It's culture.
That is what it is.
So it's gonna be a safekeeping, nobody not gonna touch it. I'm gonna look on it and put it where it should be.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
That is, when you get this as a man from another lion, it is bigger than money, bigger than everything, because this is what the warriors them give as gift. All the years of your commitment to the world. You need, sometimes the Japanese them give each other swords.
Sword.
Because, you know, when you reach a level.
Yeah, it's like a gift from someone to another. It's like a tradition.
Yes, my brother.
So it goes from one to the other, from one to the
Yes.
other. So it's like it's like a tradition. You're building a tradition, a strong background as a strength.
Yes, my brother. So when I received it. And some of my beads that the other kings give me and my clothes, when I see the younger youths them, but this is not for a young youth, this is for a great king.
Yes.
So your greatness is not shown by how you talk.
No.
It's shown by the works.
Not even a king, a man who understand and know what is life and what it's all about. So it's a naturally domestic through the year.
Yes, a mystical
so right
thing.
Along.
It's a mystical thing.
Yeah.
So those who have a knife like that, you see, men who have guns for bad purposes can't have these knives.
Well, I don't want to hear nothing to talk about that.
Exactly. So this is another level that we try to build this kind of tradition in Jamaica, so men can pass on gifts to men and bring back the honor. So we honor you. We honor you and we respect you. See me, you remember the first time I came? I put the big beads on your neck first. But wait, let me finish. You remember when they put it on your neck first? And let me take it off. Because there was something else that was for you. It wasn't the beads. It was this.
Yeah.
And then when the Spirit said to me, you know, that is for him. And when you told me you make the John Kuno, I said, but what me I go do with this in my life? I'm not an arts and craft man. And if me just take it for a look on it, a man who's fit for the trade of cutting and a master craftsman, this is for him.
You know something?
Yes, sir.
This John Kuno thing, when I was a little youth, when the first I see it, I run from it, afraid of it. And I get to understand the culture of it, and I just get to love it. We used to go out every Christmas, round street at night, every Christmas Eve, we used to go round street. The man was making the drummer, those people, they died. But the man was playing the fife. I was behind him peck and try to get the learn of the 5.
Mm-hmm.
So I always take the 5 and catch it practice and he say, look man, try catch from A, B, C. And I start to pick those notes. And when I pick those notes, I say, yes, and there I go. I start to build the 5, I start to play it myself.
Mm-hmm.
The man who I used to build the drum, I just watch him one day and watch him how him do it.
Mm-hmm.
And all those people now, they pass off and gone for years.
Yes, sir.
Only me left with that skill. There's nobody else you can find what do that.
Wow.
Nobody else. All surrounding you can't find nobody if you build a drum right now. Build a 5. It's very, very scarcely. So all the culture is dying down. Some of the young youth, them not even know what Jankuno is. Some of them not even know what merry-go-round is. Country merry-go-round, they build the hole with the wood in the hole with the bearings and put the wood upright like this.
Yes, sir.
And some cross piece and
Yes.
then they spin it around and the children them into the thing outside going around. We call it merry-go-round in
Yes,
Christmas
yes,
time.
yes.
In the countryside,
Mm-hmm.
not into the town.
Mm-hmm. We used to do it in St. Mary.
From there, so
in my
me
own town,
learn.
St. Mary.
That's where me learn to start build drum, watch the man how him do it and catch all of those skills and learn it and put it in my head. That's why I can do it today. Yeah. Right now I can build some right here, so and from me have the tool, I just build it and give it to you.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know it. I don't have to ask nobody say show me this, I know everything about it. You get the drift?
I get the drift, sir.
Yeah. And that is a part of Jamaica culture.
Mm-hmm.
That is part of the culture. Them are young youth, you know, no one name so.
So you are the greatest, me crown you the greatest man in a Jamaica.
You understand?
You see me, my brother, because I've never met a man that does fishing the way you do, farming the way you do, music.
You want me to tell you something? We catch this fish, shark and fish, where 4 or 5 men have to lift up, put it on the table. When me one put him in the boat, if you go a seaside, ask any of the man, them tell you the same thing. Them say how me do it. Them can't lift up with them 1, 4, 5, 6 man have to lift up 1 fish, 1 shark, and me alone put him in. You can imagine that? And it's a trick and a skill in it to do it. You can imagine that? Me catch a shark. Me and my brother, ask him when you go a seaside, me and him can move the head of the shark alone, just the head alone. Me and him can shake the head. And me lace him up with the rope and everything. If my little boat couldn't carry me, me lace him up and make my brother carry me, pull him, because him engine bigger than my one. Me one small. Me one is a 50. So the 25 have more, the 40 have more power. So me beg him, lace him up and beg him, drive him come along for me on the beach. And me come behind him. When he come on beach, everybody around. A 7 man have to move him from when they put him on the table. If you think I'm blind, when you go down, they ask them on the beach. We catch 1 fish, weigh 180 hard pounds. Me alone catch him. 1 no more fish is a hamburger. And about 4 we have to leave him put on the table. And I'm me alone in a my little boat. So imagine if me in a big boat, what me would I do? And can go where fish is, what me would I do? That is a gift me get from the Almighty, my friend. He's a gifted person. He's just a gifted person. Yeah. I just gift. He's a gifted person. The way how me grow my lifestyle, from youth coming up, it's rough, very rough. And me see me is for a purpose. And me can prove that. And I have a gift. And me prove that gift enough time.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So one day we have to go out to boat together so you can teach some techniques to the next generation. Or families can come with them youths so you can sit down with them and talk.
No.
But you're busy.
No, what you're saying is what me used to do. I worked in a hotel for 19 years.
Mm-hmm.
And that I used to do. I used to drive a boat. I have my coxswain license.
Mm-hmm.
Also I'm a lifeguard. I have my lifeguard surfing ticket on my head. I go to sea and catch fish, go see, use them do snorkeling. do a lot of things. I used to work in the tourist industry. Yes. Carry people go to snorkeling. When they can't swim, I teach them to swim as a teacher. Start with them in the pool. Then I go into sea, into a shallow place in the sea, and teach them and say that they can balance and help themselves. Then me and them go over into the deep sea, at the bank, at the edge, at the reef, and do snorkeling with them. Swim with them, do everything with them. See that they're alright, nobody in difficulty. That's work I used to do. I have my survey ticket, everything put on my yard right now. My recommendation paper, everything. That the work I used to do. And everybody come to me where I bring to see, they want me to carry them back. If it's not me going to see, them not going. They buy their liquor, their food, everything, and they gone away, but them not going. Not me going. You get me? Because I have other guy who do the work when I'm not here. And if it's not me, them not going. So just imagine the treatment, how I deal with people, and what they like. I give them what they like, and they're comfortable. That's me, that. That's work I used to do. I work a hotel, start cleaning the sea to make beach until I do construction on the hotel, till the hotel build, until it work, till it sell out to another person. That's where I get my redundant. Because they didn't want me leave. Sometimes they mess with me, I just get vexed because I do some overtime work when the Bob Marley Center was over the place where we used to carry people go across with the boat as taxi. Just overtime work, they mess with me, I just tell them what they BC gone through the gate. I don't business with them, I just go in my boat, go see me can fish, see man come sell them, they see how much money me can make, this me can do more with them paying me.
Oh.
And I same place my boat park. So they know how me stay, so, and them know them cannot do it up because me is good. When I leave and they mess with me, they take the car, the driver's car, what they use, do the delivery for them. They take a search the whole place for me where me is because they want me back to work. But you know, they know me like that, so me get back to work when I'm calm down and you really get along, you know, but sometimes they mess with me like in the front desk. They mess with me where they shouldn't, me just don't like it. Me just step out through the gate. That is me. Me don't
Captain,
take,
ox out this for me with your
me
knife.
just not take problem.
One hand and ox that out for me with your big knife. Show the people them say. Why?
Me just not take
It's sharp
problem.
enough, Captain. Watch yourself, you know.
Oh, no matter the sharp, man. Me know if you know me thing, man. Me know so stupid.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Alright, you can go with the pistol when you reach to the
Thank you.
Yeah.
So there.
You see, that's me, you know, friend. Me just, I don't know, but me just know if you live. I coming from a far away. Remember, we coming from a poor class. And me just know if you live. I never mess with no one. I try to work for myself. I always have things to myself. Because I love my things when I say, yes, this is for me. You understand? And I don't like mess around people. Me no like beg. No care what me need now, it's something me now beg you. Me try to work and say, me can have it for myself. Yeah. Me did that once and me not messing around because I don't like that idea. You get me? That's me, man. Me just love what I'm doing. Yeah, because me know there's a payday someday. Brother, you just have to put wings and fly into another world. Keep away from them. Just like me in another world by myself right now.
Yeah. Well, I mean, brother, you teach as a father. You teach me, you show me things no other man has ever shown me. You know? That's why I call you the greatest. You're Jamaica daddy, you're the father. All of them should strive to be like you. Prime Minister, man up. We take the honor from you. Now you, let me tell you something, man. Me, honor all the great men. Because if you go there down the world and say, you're one of the greatest, see, sir? Then look there. No, the government should start recognizing the fishermen, the farmers, and give them awards.
No, listen me.
And
You
give them
see,
money too.
we feed a nation, you know. We feed a nation. Fisherman is a gift. And what I want to say now is a blessed person because you get a gift from the Almighty. A man is a farmer, a man is a fisherman. There's something with that man.
Can you go to Western Union?
No.
Can,
No, really.
can your wife go?
I don't know. I think he have a bank card or something.
But I mean, she can.
I don't know which bank him join still. I would have to check it out. That's where I come from. I try to live up. Want to live up. Yes. Want to live up. Also, me you must live up. Everybody should live up.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to make the world come on your foot, man. Don't worry yourself. That's what this program is about.
Live up.
When me do it, you say, Captain Jack, every farmer me touch, who no find wife, who no get big cow business, who no plant 2,000 head of yam for their friend, who no plant 4 acres of castor oil in a business.
Right now, yam me want to plant only some beer yam good.
So tell me again what yam head you need.
If you get any amount of yam head me good, man. Only some beer yam, man.
What kind of yam head you say again?
And me get nigger yam, renter yam, white tofu. Me good, man.
Alright, my brother, listen up.
Good, man. Because if you notice, you know, none of my food them beer liquor. They always large. Yeah. Just the side around here. But the problem is we have when drought, it's hard with the drought. But when you have rain,
you're happy.
Good, man.
So it's seasonal. Me pull one of them pear tree.
But guess what now?
What?
Take out my shape to cut this something and leave it. You see?
Use your knife.
I try to remember what we don't do.
You have to use your knife, man. So now, see the people. Me have some. Eh?
Can't do anything serious at the again. No, I couldn't have done the chance.
Whoa, me get a little pepper.
You know what? That should just
Ready for ride?
Yeah.
And look for my pear tree then.
I know, pear something then.
Apple.
Apple.
In America we say pear.
Oh.
Let me see if I can run up this. Momentum. Yes. Don't think I have to just speed up and touch the ground and just move. Well, you know what? Here what going to happen to you now. Hey. When me get money, you go just get it now an envelope and then you say, Randy left this for you? And I say, yeah man, that means I'm booking a day. You know, hey, so let me tell you something, people.
Start to work, man. I'm just ready to work, you know. Just ready to plant, man. I just see rain now. Just wait for some rain, man. Keep me going. Set this place and everything now. Just ready to go.
You have the aloes then. So potato. So you sell them?
Yeah, when they come in now, we start to sell. When you start to bear no nothing now, man, when I some sale, just want
So when you
some
plant
rain.
black mint too?
Want some rain. So me no get the plant. Me have it already and it dead out.
Okay.
Me have it. One is was a ranger for Barnet here, the property for Barnet. One was a ranger. and they had a working at the same property too. And those two persons sick is a big man like you. The two of them is a big man like you. But one brown, one black. The brown one was arranged upon Barnet Estate. But they go at my mother church. Those man sick out well bad. I get the vision. So those man those sick half of their own is evil. And I get the vision to go out bush because I know the hills in the forest back that side. And to pick 3 bush, I know those 3 bush what the vision show me to pick. But what the vision show me said, cause into the church is a converter church, so them have some face basin with flowers and into it. The vision said I must take one of those face basin, put that 2 man in the church and wash their feet with the bush. Put the bush in the water and rub it and wash those man feet in the church. That is vision. In the church we must do it. That the vision we get. But to me, boy, it's so heavy, me couldn't manage that self do it. So me just ignore it because me feel say just a joke dream. Cause the dream show me if I don't do that, those man gonna pass off. 2 weeks past, brother, me get the dream. The following week, one of the man dead. He said to me, say, but Lord Jesus, what is this? But me get the dream. No man, something wrong. So me start beat myself. You know, me start nagging, confusing myself. He said, no sir. They had a week, they had a man dead. He said, no man, this not right. This can't be real. We go to my mother and say to my mother says, son, you get the same vision like that. And then turn it down, but anytime you get a next vision, don't turn it down, it's my gift. I don't get another vision like that until now. But the spirit what me have, if me see you pass on the road and you coming, and me look at you, in my mind, why you not look so good? Look like by next week you're going dead. The word never said, but me don't say it to no one, just in my mind. So what is that? Tell me. How that look to you?
You're connected.
How that look to you?
You're in the frequency.
And everything I see, spiritually, it happened.
Yes, sir. Some of us have the gift. And you have to hide from people when your sister you have a gift.
But I want to tell you something. I get the vision about this same place where I standing. And here it is now I standing on. Because when I get it, I didn't have it. It's what is standing wood, but it's a man was controlling it. And here I standing on it now.
And you're standing on heaven's ground. You know, when we realize you cannot invite people to heaven.
And I don't cut you. When I start to farm this place, down where the hut is nearby, me look on it to me on the ground and ask, but God said He bless it. I don't know why, but that just come to me. It just come to me and say, Father, bless it.
Bless it.
And I mean this. I don't know what is happening now, brother, but just when you say doing something, just doing, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing. And I know it's something conscious.
Yeah.
What you looking at? In my, them 2 hands, brother. Them 2 hands, I'll wait till they look pan. Them 2 hands.
All of this. All these trees planted by Captain Jack. Those big breadfruit tree. When he came here, it was just woods. What do you call the tree them? Logwood was everywhere. All that was here was one cocoa leaf.
It's like how you see the yellow. That's the way the whole place looks here.
Yes. This is what you call wealth. The sun, what time is it? About 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
You get the best sunlight. No mosquitoes, you get the best oxygen. Bananas, cane. Best coconut me ever taste. No fertilizer yams. You have...
We don't get no cane yesterday. We go look at a little cane.
Yeah man, we have to get a little piece of cane today. Hey!
We cut them and plant them out, that's why.
Yeah.
Plant them over there. That's why I don't have any. And if there's some large cane over here. But I catch all different type of cane. Trying to catch all different types.
Okay.
Now I need some rain for all these plants. That's the only problem I have.
Rain. So I'm gonna
Soon as we get some rain, man, we good.
You're gonna get rain, man.
Soon as we get
Oh look there, Pierre just drop a pear.
Calabash that.
Calabash.
Yeah, calabash. pocket tree, them call it.
Yeah.
The Rasta man them clean it out in a cup.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
drink out.
Oh, some dry one that.
Yeah, we have dry and green.
Me like how you plant it, but me like how you can walk in the farm and not mash up.
Yes, we think that we can move.
Oh, you know, so I go take one in calabash, yeah.
Yes, we think then we can
Red cane.
move around.
So me can plant that. You know, can give me one at the top.
You got them top, no top this way.
Yes, I can plant at the house. A red cane, you have in a brother?
Sorrel cane this.
Sorrel cane.
Sorrel cane. This is sorrel cane. Sorrel cane.
Oh my God. Thank you, sir.
Sorrel cane, my brother.
Wow, is that, oh Lord of mercy. You
No, really, me cut them
You
out
know.
and plant them. Because I'm going to make a big crop to make a change out of it. We sell them by the dozen. Yeah. We used to sell them 1,000 a dozen, but it's like, you know, it raised now, so I don't know how much now.
Yeah,
So I'm planting a crop now.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Hear me I say. Now for you, God bless me. Hear why God bless me? Because me meet
No,
you.
you want to cut off the relay, that's it can handle it.
So me
Right. So
plant-
here, so now you're going to bust it in a two.
Yeah.
Plant it into side by side.
And
But when you
plant
plant it, you
Sa-
make it lean like this.
Yeah, man. Enough
Side
for
like
planting. Thank you, sir. More
Alright,
blessings
we
to me.
can carry it.
More. We can't. Me never get no red cane yet, you know, brother.
Yeah, me have a different type, you know.
So,
Me have a different type.
shot there.
But we
Yeah.
plant them out.
Look like a sharp giant. Is that you have different joints?
Yeah, me have different skin, but me plant, me cut them out. Them big ones, me cut them out. You have this near white skin, but me cut them out and plant them out already.
Okay.
You understand? When you cut them out, plant them already.
So now, why do you cut off the top like that? Like you cut it again? And,
No, not just through the bump on it
yeah.
with the eye.
Okay.
I will do it like that.
This is the greatest man in Jamaica. His name is Captain Jack. Catch shark.
Yeah.
Been fishing for 40 years. The man has been planting for 40 years, and all these trees are his. We gave him the award yesterday, the greatest man in Jamaica. And he gives away his food when he plants it.
Most of it.
Most of it. You have bananas just rotting in. I'm going to lean these up right here. I could put these right here.
Wow.
So this, me see you have a seat down here, so.
Yeah. Sometimes just sit down and relax, sharpen the last and relax for a little while.
Right there, so.
Yeah, anywhere at all, you see a seat somewhere. Yeah, right. Everybody just relax, sit back, man, and you know,
Wow.
talk to the father and maybe talk to something, I don't know. But just relax, catching the cool barrel.
Mm-hmm.
Just quiet, cool. No one to disturb you.
Oh, yeah. But let me tell you, this is one of the most peaceful places I've ever been in Jamaica, because you see, there's no people around. You clean the land, and the land is not bushy. Like the grass, not even going to grow back. The way you clean
Yeah,
it.
that's really good.
And did you take out the grass then while you were cleaning it?
Yep. Now they're into a heat here. When those grass dry, I use it for manure. That's my fertilizer.
That's your fertilizer, the grass then.
Yeah. Use it put around the plant root to keep it cool.
Mm-hmm.
And it melt away and like fertile the soil.
Yes.
So if soil don't running down like, you know, you're working for a long time and soil going away, you know, that grass build up back the soil. Keep it strong.
Yes, my brother.
Yeah, keep it strong.
Wow.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's an honor. It's really an honor to meet you.
Some people don't like it, you know, but me like it when it cook. Nice when it cook. Soft and nice. We like it more for your own banana. I don't know why. I don't like for your own banana. When it's ripe, me like it.
Okay.
Yeah. Me like it, you know, but if it's very soft, young and soft, yeah. But when it's hard, I don't like
Wow, look at how just majestic and beautiful. So when me come back, what me I go do?
No, this is a native coconut tree.
That's a native, the one for rice and peas.
We have a long stick, you should have reached some up there, but that's what I was telling you about, yes?
Yeah, man. With the long stick, then me we go. Me we joke it.
A long stick about, that's some dry one country.
Okay. Okay.
I was showing you yesterday.
Me plant two of the big one. Me plant one of the big one at the yard today.
Plant
Yes.
it very deep.
Me plant it deep, yeah.
Very deep because it go up, come up in the air. You have to plant it deep, deep.
Deep. When you say deep, as the machete?
As deep as you can plant it.
Deep as the machete?
You don't have to, but as deep as
Half
you
the
can
machete.
Yeah,
Half the
because
machete.
it's gonna come up out the root.
Okay.
Push up out.
Okay.
And if you don't plant deep enough, part of it come out and then you see the root start sending down in the ground.
Yeah.
So when it's deep, you don't see that.
Got it.
It fall properly down in the ground when you plant it deep. Now a bamboo stick, but it don't dry yet. Now a bamboo can reach up there, but yesterday I cut it day before yesterday. Not dry yet, but it can reach it, but it don't dry yet. It's heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, me, another time when the bamboo dry.
Now a stick suppose it can reach it. No, I think so.
Don't stress it out.
Yeah, I was stick man. But
Wow.
these are the native. You saw it loaded?
The native.
Yeah, so they loaded.
For rice and peas.
So notice how I plant these coconut trees now far apart. I don't space them too near because they must get air between, space in between, and you can plant something in between.
But don't plant them too close.
No, you plant them too close. You have to give the space, air come through. That make the thing more common variety, more beer, more.
Oh, so that's why your farm really, that's one of the reasons why your farm work.
When it's too close,
Yeah.
kind of stifle it.
I fight for the
Stifle one
sun.
another.
Yeah.
No air cannot. You know, like when you inhale your air and you know, you cannot get it freely.
Yeah.
The oxygen pass through freely.
Yeah, man, the air, the oxygen thing, oh man. The reason why I love this farm, the breeze, the oxygen.
And also you get all the sea breeze. Because these bush one here is looking straight into the sea.
Straight into the sea. Wow.
You know go where you see it come out there. And just turn up a little. You're looking straight into the sea.
Let me pick up the cane then. Where am I to drop them?
Oh, down there. Right down there.
Red cane today before me leave. Jah Almighty, Captain Jack the greatest. Jano. Yeah, okay. Look on the banana, them man, them just everything have them own personality, them just stand up. Yes, I. So you're not going to seaside today?
No. Maybe tomorrow. You see, I don't think you see.
Ready yet?
Not ready yet. Because we got until maybe about Thursday because we gotta get it right through this week. And I'm monitoring the weather.
Yeah.
So when I'm not going to see now, here I am.
On the farm.
So me put them thing all about from the tree them all over. So that means we can run out of plant, run out of breed. We must get more, but not less.
You must get more.
Yeah, because when they seed, I took the seed them and plant them on the tree. This is seed, you know. It's a two-year seed, so this ready to go now. So what I do, I put the seed and leave it and don't trouble it till the other year.
Got it.
So this seed now bring food and bring head back, plant.
Got it.
That's I can have more plants.
A red cane.
Yeah, more plants. Alright. Now if you don't go back up there so far my park. Which way you want to go? Back side?
Anywhere you want to go.
Go short.
Ah, this is my favorite farm now. Hey. So all we need to do is get you some yam head. What yam head you say you want again?
We can get white apple, nigga yam, mozilla, those.
Alright.
Yeah. You know, me get one white apple head plant, about like this machete. And when it's ready, I get a food like this. about this long. Big something, you know.
So you got all those yam you can sell, right? They won't rotten, right?
No, they won't. You know the time when you take them out. In
But
March.
but you have the people.
Yeah, in March going
Good.
down. I don't really have the people. I just sell and heat and give you. Sell and heat give you. I just my.
You don't stress it.
No, I just might think that.
Got it.
In March going down, the time gonna very hot. The side gonna very hot, so you start to burn the yam. When you start to burn, you see some little black spots start catching the yam. You have to take them out. Take them out, put them down, but you don't cut it. Don't take off the head. Put them down, and you serve till now from next year to the other year. If you don't take off the head. But once you take off the head, it's not gonna be stay. By at least 2-3 days, you start to show your sign of spoiling. But once you get the head on, and you have a little bruise, you know the fire ashes, you just touch the bruise with the fire ashes. And you put it down, you don't cover it, you just put it down natural same way. Make the breeze can go through. Oh my, it serve. And at that time it's sweet because it's well dry out and nice. That time you get the natural yam.
So one day I want
That's
one
the
of
way
them.
we used to do it into the country. But when the country, what we do now, like how me in the farm now, we dig yam for weeks, put it down on the yam bank and leave it till we finish dig out all yam.
And them stay fine.
No. What we do now, they make a place, they call it butcheries, a little house like my place down there.
Yeah.
So what they do now, they get a trailer, but those trailer what carry in, that one backs up. It backs up round with board, but it don't have no top. So they have a little farmer now, draw that trailer, come at your farm. So into the days now, like today, like how we here now, we get the banana trash, spread it at the floor in the trailer. And you take up the yam them and we put a layer on the trash.
Then another trash.
And when you put the layer on the trash into the trailer, on the yam, you put another layer of banana trash again. And you put another layer of yam, another layer of banana trash, another layer of yam till it come right up to the top. And then that farmer take that trailer to your home at your gate. And they take off that yam, same as how you pack it into the trailer. So they pack it into the little house. And he did it for 2 years. What they do now, when it grow the vine, come up, sometimes it come out through the zinc, the vine, they just cut it off. And the yam as solid as same way, nothing do it. And you have that yam can right during the year, nothing do it. But once you cut the head, the yam finish. So I grown it, I learn it, and I know it. That's why I'm doing it.
So you really don't need to buy yam. You should plant it yourself and take it out wholesome.
Yeah. I know it.
Yes.
I know it.
Yes.
I know it. That's the way St. Elizabeth people, where I grow, half grow. That's the way they do it. And that's the way they sell their yam. When yam cannot get, they have yam to sell. Everybody come sell me a yam. Sell me a 2 pound of yam. Sell me a 3 pound of yam.
More profit. So when yam
cannot get,
when yam price
finish,
high,
when,
so
no, not really when it high. When it finish, cannot get. That mean a planting season all yam finish.
But them get the most
Them
money.
have yam they sell.
So some man a cut yam.
So you get the drift?
So no man don't know that. If you don't know that, you can't profit.
No. Because of that, that's why I say, that's why I love the farm.
That's why everybody a cut yam and I sell yam at a going rate. When the man that wait,
No.
the man that wait
What they
get
do
the
now,
best money.
What they do now, they have the yam in the soil now, still wait now, but meantime the yam has spoiled because
It's a
they
grow.
burn.
Yeah.
The burning.
Oh, you have to take
So
it
you
out
have to take
before
it
it
out.
burn in
Yes.
a March.
So at that time now, when yam start burning, take out and sell out at that time.
Yeah.
Because start to burn, start to spoil. So,
Yeah, you can't let
so when them sell out that time now, they have any left, nothing left.
Got it. Banana trash.
So the one where
layers.
they with the head on now, you have it right through
Yes,
till the
my
other year come catch it.
brother. Lord, so you can.
When it grow, you just cut off vine and that head plant back same way and bear back same way.
When the price high, you catch the price.
So I tell you something, you see this little man, but you wouldn't know him, he have a lot of experience.
Yes, sir.
Both in hotel, you can't take me for nothing when me don't know about, brother.
Wow.
I do all I do is I go through it, I've been through it.
Wow.
Me teeth on a sandbed, load chuck. Me do all kind of something, we go broke rock stone, we cut stone. You can't tell me no work when me don't know, brother.
Wow.
That me I tell you, is a jack of all trades.
Mason too.
I'm master of
You do mason work too.
Of course.
You can build a foundation for your house.
Of course. But my favorite is carpenter.
Carpenter?
I love
Can make
carpenter.
cupboard too?
I make anything.
So you're a little Jesus. He's a little Jesus. No wonder me find you to it.
I used to build bed in hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I used to build bed.
You do everything.
Like one bed. This your mampy like this, you know, and he broke down one, what you call it? But it's a big bed. And it's some strong mower, make it and him break it down. And you have to build it back.
Mm-hmm.
Because they don't build the thing proper. You understand? Yeah, because some people, some white people very big and heavy, no brother. You have some white people very thick, big and strong and fat, no brother. Carry whole heap of weight. You see one white woman sink down a taxi back like this, you know, and how him alone inside here. Nobody else can go in there.
You never seen a black woman in Jamaica that big?
No, sir.
Are too much big. Them are eat too much big. Them
Belly
get
they are way down here, so brother.
extra flesh. White and happiness.
That's right. Alright, even those breadfruit trees over here, so. This the other day me catch it, and it soon start there. Now, see the cane crop I try catching? Yeah, this is a cane crop. I'm catching the whole of from here, go right up to with cane. So look how I do it. You saw this way already.
Oh.
Sorry, cane and all kind of cane.
So you just long them out, you not even cut them?
No. Because each giant gonna grow high. Each giant and the cane gonna grow high. Come up.
And with the eye,
So I can't show you where they start to grow from.
me see, me know, right after the joint them.
Yes, they grow from the giant. Each
So you
giant
turn
gonna
it-
push a eye. You see? Each giant.
Oh.
Look, come and show you.
So, and then probably bear quicker when it's whole, because it have more water in
Let me
it.
give you some powerful cane. Each giant of the
Oh,
cane.
come and see people are cut them.
Look,
So you know if you cut them.
you can cut them, but this is the right way. Each giant of the cane grow high. I can show you. Come make a show you that you can see it properly. Careful how you are. Look, each giant, see there? Each giant of the cane grow high, see there? Look, see there, look. Each giant of the cane, see?
Tin.
Grow high. So when you do it like this, every giant you get a double cane, because when the cane come, you're gonna send more cane from this giant. And they're gonna powerful. So you half mass the dirt like this. When you come to about this height, you mold back the dirt and cover each one. But you don't cover it like first, you're not gonna get it grow that way. Like the dirt gonna blind the eye them.
Oh.
Gonna cover the eye so your eye cannot get to come up.
So are two.
So you half mass the dirt.
Are two things.
So you set the root now. Start to set the root, bring the eye them. When you come up to a height, you mold them. Look. See here? Each giant. See there, look. Each giant, see? They grow high, come up, see there? When you put them flat, each giant grow high. But when you cut them like this now and set them like this, you don't go have this and this, and when you come up, you don't have nothing here, so. And you mold it. So you don't have the amount of cane what you're gonna need. But when you lay it like this, you got any amount of cane. When you mold this now, you know, and the row come up, you know. The cane them just stick like this all the way gone down, you know. Come up like this against one another, bungalow pin together, come up tall. So you have like from about here so to here so. You can get at least about say 24 cane or more to how them grow and bear. Yeah. So when you do it like this now and you make this space where you can walk in between, maybe weed or more or clean. Or when you go up to it, you trash, keep off the trash off them.
Wow.
So that is what I'm showing is my experience, what I do and learn in the farm.
Your technique.
That's what I grow with in the farm, where I grow in.
Look at them.
You understand? So see how them start growing out? Alright, these are mole already. Come and look
How
at
them
it.
come out.
Look at it. That you get a full understanding. Look, these part way mole already. Don't fully mold, part away mold. See how them stay now? So them start to come up. So each one gonna come up right up at the same way. And you just mold it. When you mold it properly mold, you leave it. And you have a cane walk.
Wow, let's see.
You understand?
I guess
So we don't stick it up like how some people do. You can do it if you want to eat that way, like you want two little cane to eat. But like for farming to get,
Because even this, you know, me can't.
even if a farm, you know, like to make $1.
That's a regular cane, you know.
have to
The cane head, and the regular
the
cane
regular
you put in
cane,
knife.
yes. So you do it like this now if you want
So
to
even
survive.
me can't eat a piece of the red and put the whole thing down
Yes,
and get more.
if you put the whole thing down, you get everything.
Wow.
Every giant can it do. So these are where you see like this now. Instead of like this I plant it upward. You understand? So when it get high now, I just mold him, and when the rain start to fall, brother, they're just coming up like them mad. You see? These are special canes. See them start to burst iron come up already. All different type of canes. Yes, sir. Alright, you see this type of cane? They big like the leg. This type. They almost like the leg when it's there. This type. And the joints are very long.
Okay.
So I'm catching a whole variety breed of cane. So from now till about next year, nothing catch the next year, by now until about maybe June, July, August. By August, yeah, cane can't eat, man. Cane can't eat like trouble.
No, me get it. No, me get it, brother. You set up your trench.
Yeah.
You half mask your trench.
Yeah.
Don't cover your eyes. And when them push out, then you cover them. And you even double them. Look like you all double them up to sometime.
All three in a row. All three.
All three beside each other.
Yeah, all two.
And them are go fight for the earth and yam dirt. Okay, so no matter this, cause some man no use land, you gotta use the land. You know, waste nothing. A tree in a row.
Yeah, all two. You can't put one thing. But when you put it that way, it thicker.
So me can just buy the cane at the market and replant it just like that. Me don't need the head.
They have a style. When the farmer cut the cane, give me one of those cane.
Yeah.
No, they don't want to catch the breed. When the farmer cut the cane, they do like this.
Oh.
So you have no high.
Lord of mercy.
They clean off all these roots and clean off all the high.
Oh Lord, and sell
so
it.
when they sell you, you don't have nothing to plant because they have the breed. You cannot get the breed. You got the drift?
Yes, me get the drift.
Good.
Wow. Hey!
That is a farmer practice.
Oi!
These are robin. Catching 3 plants of this robin mango. I try to catch in 3 breed. This is one.
Yeah.
And I have some over there, over the other side. That's where I catch my plant. One, all about the place. And I tell you another thing. You don't catch a plant one time. You catch it behind one another. Because when one starts to bear, you get that one to use. When everything come one time and finish. But when you plant it behind one another, you have it right through.
Got it.
Yeah.
Like the cane too.
Yeah. Limb tearing down. 3 limb tearing down. So when you do it that way now, at the big show, when you do it that way now, you have food right during the time. That's where I plant yam too.
A pimento.
Yeah,
You have to go give me one of them stick as a staff, you know.
No, what really happened?
Yeah, for good.
They clouded the place, so me follow it. The beer thing, but we just want to get this.
I want a piece as a staff, man.
Appearance.
Putting on my house.
You understand? We want piece of the wood.
Yeah,
You
because
can't cut piece, give you different from you want it that big.
it's like no.
You want a little piece.
A legendary this, you know.
Stay there, man. You passing back there.
Yeah. Yeah, my brother. This is how I look. I can put one of these in my suitcase. Nothing can touch me. Oh, in a dry yet. Ah.
This is just what the I catch it up and look at it. Soon start to do.
Which one is that?
This breadfruit tree here.
Oh, wow.
The next one over my next neighbor.
Wow.
These are line is there go right down.
Wow.
And
these are different kind of cane too.
yeah, these are banking. Now we're really happy now. These are custard apple. So I catch it all type of plant all over.
Custard apple?
Yeah. But I don't catch them one time. I catch it at my home and then I bring it to transplant it.
Okay.
So little more from this. I can just sit and look and have all different things. I don't know the next coming home much, but I little more. I know I can have something.
I call you the heaven master. You know, so I'm not even going to say the word, you know. I say it in my spirit. Boy, I want one of them ribbon here, you know. I'm not even say the word. Hey! Little Jesus, we call him Little Jesus. Hey, hey. We call him Little Jesus. Hey, hey.
Cut them out and plant them, man. Transplant them.
People, people, you know, say, hey, hey, Little Jesus, we're among Little Jesus right now. See there? We're in heaven right now. Enough man, you know, Mr. Captain, where it's not like you, the kindness, and enough of them tricky, you know.
See how me move. I don't enjoy trick with nobody, that's why me move alone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't mix up with people, brother.
I noticed.
So that's the way how I live. I don't want to mix up with no one. For people is not good. You don't know who is good and who is bad, so it makes sense to stay away. You understand? That's me. Me don't know about nobody else. Some of them say me selfish. I don't give a damn. I just say, oh, damn, me gone. You understand? Yeah. I'm not selfish, dude. I just you want to be clean.
Yes, yes.
You understand? Want to be clean.
And you do your work and
I'm trying my best to be clean.
Thank you, my brother.
So, ask the father to carry me through the narrow way. Carry me through straight. So every way is narrow, so you have to take your time and go through the way. Yeah. But if you say we're gonna clear straight and you just go, it's narrow, you have to squeeze through. So take your time. Yeah. Take your time.
That is the wisdom we need.
Take your time.
And you stuck off the newsberry under the tree?
No. No. Get them sweet, you know, brother. Sweet, you know, here and there, big and sweet. Now they have to put that pick and make your taste when it's right. Very sweet. When you eat those, you have to drink water, no, my friend. A sugar, you have to have water beside you. Yeah, but stick here, but I don't know what I did it. Now you get one to taste it. Two full one. They're not ready yet, you know. I'm with the two here. Two are ready. I'll get them now. I want to get them next to get it. Now what's that? I take great stick and do the something else.
In time, because you catch the neighbor fruit.
Yes. So me catch them into the container where the container is. The container is somewhere here, somewhere. And then when they come, we transplant them like this. and water it. So me catch them from home into a little thing, and then when it come up, me water it, take care of it till it come up, transplant it like that. But we don't put them one place, we put like 1 year, so 1 year down the bottom, spread it all over. You understand? Because each part of it have a different type of soil. So me spread it, not keep it one place, me put it far apart all over. So I go doing it now little by little. Till when the places come solid, I have a good amount. But I don't plant it one time. Yeah. So little by little. The canteen, I don't know, maybe the canteen. That's how I do it, little by little. I put them little by little. I can see them somewhere on the plant.
You know, me notice if me tip down the hill and if it slide, it drop back on the back. If me tipping. Look on that breadfruit tree there, you see how it little, that one there? So,
Yeah, that's the sucker them.
so you can't even, them attach to the root.
Yes, they cut them and leave them. Cut it, make it drain and leave it for a little while. Cut the two sides,
Yeah.
they attach. So now it's a pepper. So when we do it like this, we mark them that we can know them that they don't damage.
Yeah.
We put a stick against them. We put them far apart. That's the same thing I do these. Sure, next one. Right, see? Come on, step in now, come on.
And what that?
Orange. So me do them and mark it with a stick. The next one here, look. See fresh? So me do the place all over like this. All over. So you're gonna need some rain now. Just some rain.
I pray some rain will come your way. Wow.
Need some rain.
Wow. What up? You know something? I blend the apple them. I blend them, you know? Yes. It's in the fridge right now. I'm going to add some sea moss. I'm going to add some sea moss to it.
Yeah. Refreshing, man. Nice drink, brother. Refreshing. Keep your blood cool.
I'm going to tell you. So.
Last night me eat one before me go to bed.
Yeah.
Eat it and then go lie down.
It may have a, and it good for it look like it's good for pre-diabetes too.
Then just refreshing, then just nice.
Alright, Randy and the teacher. Randy and the teacher. Oh, Randy and the teacher. See it there? See it there, teacher. Karachi Randy. The girls them candy. Big up to Sandy. Randy and the master. See it there? No disaster for the apple them. I go bring them, go give my mother.
You're good, they might eat them.
Well, good man. Randy and the teacher.
Alright, now once me eat now, where you then now?
No man, have one man. I better pick none. Make this is.
But you don't give. Look how this nice you give, man. No man.
Alright.
That love when somebody get that thing get something.
Decent. Yes.
Get something decent too. And another thing, you know, but for me something them be extra big, you know. You see all them there, you know, they are no size I am to one
No, sir.
one big, you know.
Ooh, the one you know.
Oh,
Mash up.
yeah, man. It's fine.
It's
Wow,
so
can't
much.
find on the bird and eat them off. Wow, what?
Yeah.
No, that's it. I don't wanna fly. I wanna fly.
Just a little speck on it.
Me good.
Give it to the teacher. In our life,
Yeah.
this is the life. See the teacher there. Well, the student bring the water boat today. I learned a lot. And this is the beginning because I'm going to take some of them pear tree next time and plant them up back of the yard. I go all the way to Manchester with them, you know.
These is what me catch, they plant them, the tangerine plant them into and put them out.
But the dirt black up. You use different kind of dirt?
Yeah, yeah. Because we mix with some fire coal dirt.
Oh.
With the fire coal. Fire coal, fire we burn, mix it with it.
Make them really, it push them.
Yeah, push them fast.
My teacher. You see it? Wow. See, this is the way I teach me. When we get old, you know, you can never be without, you know, brother. Them take your big son, but you get another one. You see, brother? Don't say nothing. You're a real great man. Now leave your side. Which one is this?
That is
Bugger lime.
no, ugly. They call it ugly.
The ugly. So you
It's like a tangerine, like a pig, but it ugly outside. It
me know.
resembles tangerine, but it's ugly.
Me know.
And I think I'm going to try to get to. I want to try to get some grapefruit. Try to get some grapefruit plants. That is a good thing too.
Yeah.
Not the bitter one, the sweet one. You have the sour one and the sweet one. The sweet one we want. I'm going to take some plants of it.
So the trench protect the field from the water.
Yes, that takes away the water. When the rain falls, there's a heaviness of water come through. That control the water go where to go. But down the bottom, it's kind of black where me planting and banana come right up inside of it.
Let me bring the stick. Go check the mark. Me strong, you know.
Why, the coconut?
Yeah.
You can manage it.
I always say, how does Randy find these people? Cause when them
You're gonna wash off the rough outside, and then I'm ready to ripe. Get the stain out, cause you're gonna stain. It is fit.
Yeah.
Them soon fish up. You soon see hold it next time you come and hold it and it's ready. Alright, going down the bottom.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You got a place where you enjoy yourself, my brother.
Oh well, let me tell you something. This is bigger than tourism, you know. And a lot of people watch my film in the past, and them take granted of the people.
No, you can't get this what you're getting in the market now.
No.
The happiness and freedom.
No. This is. I gotta give me this, you know, brother. I gotta say, Randy, you deserve all the work what you do for mankind. You deserve everything here, so I'm gonna give thanks. So they are show me the richest man in the world, the greatest man that I ever met, because the man is patient.
Oh, you want the tree top? You want the tree?
Yeah, man. The man is patient. The man is kind.
Leave them out of the gate. You going down the bottom?
No, so me quick.
You want to go home now?
Me want to save your time. Because you what?
That's all the time, man. I go, you know, I go mow some yam bank and plant some yam when we finish.
You see, all this tail I want to run for my pants for bless me.
Go here, right?
Yeah, you should, as me as a countryman, you know, one day, Captain, I will bring you to my home. I will. You know what I say? It's like God talking to me for my future. That's what you're saying to me. This is not. God, this morning, the part wasn't too clear. Then me get up and me drink the jelly at the yard. I left the food in the back of the car so them stay out of the house for a night. And then when we bring them in today, because you see you can't bring things from one spiritual place to another spiritual place. You have to wait till night. Make them settle.
Oh, you want to cut that or you when you go home?
Yeah, we go home and cut.
Oh.
So make them settle. So me make them settle. And now you tell me that the path is clear. It means that the future, because I had a lot of struggle with people and things, you know. But now that you clear the path for me.
Everybody has it different.
And you bless me.
Everybody has it, not you alone.
And Candy is happy.
Because
when every time you see him now, you know that Candy is in name. You see him play now. Remember I say, when you talk to him, you know, and the wind blow him,
you're too easy.
and because the wind activate her, you know.
You're too easy.
I remember say when you turn around and see me again, he happy. So somebody when me show the video say he like you.
But you're right.
Somebody say he like me. Cause if he not like me, last night we'd have so much dream.
You're right again.
Candice, me know say you love me, man. You can't wait till me come back. Look at him.
Yeah. You think you easy, man?
No man, me love him, man. Cause let me tell you, you have to respect all entities. You see, and it's a little personality she have, so she happy, man.
Me go for the farm.
Yes, Candice. And me name you. Nobody take your name from you. I run the name you. Love you. Don't worry, man. Guess what? Let me show you. You know what I say? It's like God talking to me for my future. That's what you're saying to me. This is not. God, this morning, the part wasn't too clear. Then me get up and me drink the jelly at the yard.